Hey, welcome to the channel. Out here, I got a fire going tonight. Got a lot of brush we're behind on, and gotta go empty the maple buckets. We had a pretty good run today, and should be plenty of sap, and hopefully tomorrow we can get out here and boil. So it's about 40 out now. Nice to have a little fire going to stay warm. It is super slippery out because the ground is saturated. So this could be an adventure. For the field maples here, got a little bit. It is actually, looks like it is dripping still. These aren't the biggest yielding ones on the property. Although this one did pretty good. I see this one here overflowed. Look at the amount of sap in this bucket. That happens sometimes if you're busy and you don't have time. Good for tomorrow though. Same thing here, kind of. This one wasn't as full, but pretty close. See by the fire for a second. Yeah, see this one here overflowing. And just like that, we'll be boiling. We have more than enough sap. So I went ahead, lifted this, put it on some cinder blocks. It's sturdy. We have the valve, and we can fit our 5-gallon buckets under there. I have a little sap in here. It is so slippery. I might fall and lose all my sap. I don't want to do that, so I'll run down the hill into the woods with the empty bucket. It's inevitable. You're bound to get into some kind of trouble when the ground's this saturated. It's one of the many struggles of maple sugaring. Don't want to lose any sap if you can help it. Look at this one. This red maple here. Actually doing pretty good. Not sure why it's... Might need to get the tap in better. I don't think I got the tap in well enough. As you can see, it's very wet. Whoa! Again, coming down the side of the bark. This one's full. I'm gonna retreat, get this stuff to the tank, and then I'll come back from the other side of the woods. So a little tip here, when you're walking out in the woods at night doing this, take an empty bucket. Don't walk with a full bucket, you might fall and lose all the sap, and that is not fun, and it is very slippery. And it got windy out here, and weather's changing quick. So this tree wasn't even running at all a few days ago. Look at it now. You just never know. Spider. You'll come across these when the weather gets a little warmer. We got about 17 gallons in there. We'll go get the rest. Prince. Hi. Yeah, what's up, Prince? Hi. Oh, you're crazy. You're so funny. What a goofball. You're such a goofball. You're enjoying the day out here, aren't you? Boil today. This will be the second boil of 2026, and I got about 20 gallons here, so we'll get started here. Yeah, another nice little afternoon. It's a Saturday. It's about close to 50 out, overcast. Sun's trying to peek through. This is round 2 we're working on. We'll probably go into, I would say, 8, 9 o'clock tonight. So we'll head right into the dark doing this. We had 20 gallons to start with, and I gotta go empty buckets a little later, see what else we might have. Almost filled to the top. What you doing, Prince? Yeah? What you doing? Don't break my screen. Rant. Silly. You're silly. About 28 gallons of sap. It's getting a little colder, getting chilly, it's getting dark, and we got 5 more gallons on top of this to boil. I think in the meantime I'm gonna make some pancakes and sausage. Moon is tucked behind the clouds. High winds are kicking up. It's now in the 20s. It's after 10 p.m. Snow is on the way. I gotta hurry up and finish this boiling. It is pushing midnight here. It is getting so cold. It's so windy. And we're almost there. We almost have maple syrup here. It's so close, the fire is dying down. Yeah, I've been out here several hours, about 11 hours total. Snow is about to fly. And we're definitely getting some flurries in here right now. And it's about time to wrap this up. Smells amazing. I call these maple vapors. Alright, here is the snow. I did not beat the snow. Did not beat it. And that's pretty close. But we'll go ahead and pull the plug on this for tonight. So this is almost syrup. We'll do another video here where we finish it, filter it, and bottle it. All right, thank you so much. Take care. See you on the next one.